So I have a question, and I want to defer to those of you out there that know a fair amount about revolvers or know about 547s from Smith & Wesson. So I have a Smith & Wesson 547 in the armory. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad on that microphone. I've actually got you tucked into the truck trying to shield you from it because it's gusting about 35 miles an hour today. It's 75 degrees and it was 35 yesterday. So I've noticed with this gun, a lot of the times, it's a 9mm, 547 is a 9mm revolver. I've noticed a lot of times it doesn't seem to set off the primers. Now it does dent them. They look a little shallow, and speed loaders. Thank you, Andy. These work great. And I have a question. I wanted to run it by you first. Let me show you this. All right. Obviously not everything went off. Let me give it a second. Two with dented primers. Now I'm going to try. Oh, wait a minute. I just noticed some of these might be sitting deeper. So I'm going to try single action. Let it cool off a second, just in case, hang fire. All right. And, well, I've got some, here are the primers, the rounds. This is factory ammo. It's 124 grain factory. It's STV out of the Czech Republic, so it's actually good ammo. It's not reloads. And with where you guys are sitting in the truck to protect you from the sun, you can see. Now, I've heard that these 547s, in case you want to see it, 547s, I've heard they can be a little finicky getting them to run. But I have a clue. This 547 probably has the best double action trigger I have ever seen on a factory Smith & Wesson. Double action. The double action on this gun is dynamite. It's unreal. And the single action, I need to measure it. It'd be bad if I put a hole in my truck, right? The single action is also very good. Well, here's my question. What do you think the chances are in the life of this gun? Somebody did a trigger job on this, and I don't think it's hitting the primers hard enough. Know anybody know any good Revolver Smiths out there I can hire to take a look at this?